Welcome everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the bioreactor and its component, and we will discuss all the functions of all components in more detail and also discuss about the applications of bioreactor. So let's begin. First, what is bioreactor? So bioreactor is a device or system designed to grow cells or tissues in the context of cell culture. So, by its name suggests that bioreactor is something or a device which used to multiply the living things like cells, enzymes, any living cell. If we multiply them in a device, then that device is known as the bioreactor. So, bioreactor is a vessel in which a chemical process is carried out. This process can either be aerobic or anaerobic, and that bioreactors are generally cylindrical in shape and are often made of stainless steels. These devices are being developed for use in tissue engineering or biochemical or bioprocess engineering. What properties used for the construction of a bioreactor? First, it should not be corrosive. Second, it should not add any toxic substance to the fermentation media. If we add any toxic substance in the fermentation media, it can lead to the death of the organism in the culture, and it spoils the culture, and we won't get the end product from our substrate. Third, it should tolerate the steam sterilization process. Fourth, it should be able to tolerate high pressure and resist pH changes. Fifth, the size of bioreactor widely depends on the application. That means whatever the application is, we design the bioreactor according to the application. Now we will discuss about the design of a bioreactor, how bioreactor is designed and what are the parts are used in bioreactor designing. So let's discuss about all the components of bioreactor in more detail and all about their functions in detail. First, vessel. It is a large cylindrical apparatus closed at the top and bottom and connected with various pipes and valves. Vessels are designed in such a way that it allow to work under controlled conditions. Vessel can be made up of glass or of stainless steel. Generally, we use stainless steel. If vessels are made up of glass, they are used in small scale industries, while if vessels are made of stainless steels, they are used in large scale industries. The glass vessels are non-toxic and corrosion proof, and stainless steel vessels are also resist pressure and corrosion. Second, heating and cooling apparatus. Thermostatically controlled baths or internal coils generally provides heat. Silicone jackets are used to remove excess heat. So in heating and cooling apparatus, we use silicone jackets to make them. Third, aeration system. It is a process in which air are mixed in the bioreactor, and sparger is that part in bioreactor which work for the aeration system. Now that sparger is a device used for introducing sterile air into the media in bioreactor, and it also supply oxygen to the microorganism in the submerged culture. This aeration system is one of the very important part of the fermenter, and it is very important to choose a good aeration system to ensure the proper aeration and oxygen availability throughout the culture, so that microorganism won't die in the culture if we supply the oxygen in accurate amount. There are different type of spargers, like porous sparger, nozzle sparger and orifice sparger. These are the common spargers which are used in the bioreactor. Fourth, agitator, also called as impeller. It is used to provide uniform suspension of microbial cells in different nutrient mediums. Impeller blades reduce the size of air bubbles and distribute them uniformly into the media. Now that impeller blades play an important role in reducing the size of air bubbles and distribute them uniformly into the fermentation media, which is good for the culture. Now there are various type of impellers like van disc turbines, propeller, pan turbines. These are the various types of impellers which are used in the bioreactor. Fifth, feed pot. They are used to add nutrients and acid base in the bioreactor. They are made up of silicon. In situ sterilization is performed before the removal or addition of the product so that the contamination won't occur in the product formation. Sixth, foam controller. It is used for controlling the level of foam in the vessel and used for avoiding contamination. For avoiding foam formation, we generally use anti-foaming agents in the bioreactor. Seventh, valves. They control the movement of liquid in the vessel, and a safety valve is built in the bioreactor so it can maintain the pressure inside the container. 8. Baffles. Baffles are incorporated into the bioreactor to prevent a vortex and improve aeration in the bioreactor. 9. Control and monitoring probes. There are various control and monitoring probes are added in bioreactor which usually controls the temperature, pressure, dissolved oxygen concentration, pH, cell mass, essential nutrients level and product concentration. Control and monitoring probes are usually added in bioreactor for maintaining the level of everything accurately so that the media won't get spoiled or for no occurrence of death of the living cells inside the culture media. So for controlling all the environment of the formation of product, we use the control and monitoring probes inside our bioreactor for a greater efficiency and work. There are multiple applications of bioreactor. First, cell growth. We generally use bioreactor for the cell growth. If we want to multiply the particular cell, we use bioreactors for its culture. Second, for enzyme production. If we want to produce multiple enzymes, then we use bioreactor for its production. Third, for milk processing. If we want to process a milk, we use generally a bioreactor. Algae production. For algae production also we use bioreactor. For anaerobic digestion also, for that also we use bioreactor or fermenters. For protein synthesis we generally use bioreactors, and for biocatalysis same as enzymes production we use bioreactor. For food production we use bioreactor, and for tissue engineering also we use bioreactor. So there are multiple and various applications of bioreactor, and that's why bioreactor are more important for us. Thank you for watching. For more videos you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.